Hello, I'm Chris. Today we're going to show you how to order your drawer box for your kitchen for the soft close undermount guide system. First thing you'll notice about these boxes, they're solid wood, 5/8 thick with a dovetail corner. Very solid drawers. With the undermount system, you're going to need to check on the website that you order for notch and bore to allow for the guides to sit in the back of that drawer. So when you're measuring for your drawer box, the width needs to be 3/8 smaller than the opening. In this case, the opening is 21, so the drawer box is going to measure 20 5/8 when you order it. The height needs to be 3/4 smaller than the opening. In this case, the drawer box opening is 4 3/4, so you would order a 4-inch drawer box. So there's a couple different pieces to the undermount system. You're going to have a glide for the right, a glide for the left, 2 adjustable clips that actually get mounted on the box, and a mounting foot for the back of the rail. The rails come in 3-inch increments starting at 9 inches. You can get them all the way up to 30 inches for special applications. The next thing you're going to need to do is mount your rails into the cabinet itself. There's 2 ways to mount these. If you have the old style cabinetry that does not have an inset here in the face frame, you can attach just using these holes in the side of the rail. In this case, we're going to use the mounting foot that attaches to the back of the cabinet, slides in the groove there, and we can mount it this way to the back. So we're mounting the bracket to the back of the cabinet. Then we can mount our guide into that foot. It slides right into that foot. Now the front of the guide, this second notch, lines up with the inside of the face frame, so you know you have the proper distance. We'll set it inside the back mounting foot and adjust it so that hits the back side of the frame. Then you just need to put 2 screws into the front. And you're ready to mount your box inside. So when you go to mount your clips, the square shoulder goes into the corners. There's 2 small screws you're going to mount into these holes, but it's very important to pre-drill those holes so you do not split this bottom rail. So once you have your clips in place and your holes pre-drilled for the screws, you can go ahead and mount them. One thing about the clips underneath, once you get your drawer box installed, you might need to shimmy it left and right or up and down. There's an adjustment here to raise the drawer box up and down to get it flush with the face frame, and there's an adjustment here to get it to go left and right inside the opening if it's binding. So now that you've installed your clips, it's just a matter of sliding the box over the rails and pushing it in until you hear the click. You can pull it out to test that they are secure. Notice it's full extension on these drawers. So now you're all set to reinstall your drawer front and your hardware.